This video, if you've seen the title already, marks a new chapter for this YouTube channel and also for my life personally as well. If you've clicked on this video, you've seen the title, I've got a unit. If you're a long-term subscriber of this channel, you will understand how important this opportunity is for me. I am so excited. I've wanted a unit for the longest time. Now, I've trusted my mates with this unit. I haven't even looked at this myself. I'm going off the word of my mates that this unit is really decent and good value for money, and you guys are going to catch my first reaction to this unit today. I'm so nervous. So, like I said, I haven't looked at this unit. I've left this all to my mates to basically pick and choose. All I need is a roof and a light, and I think I've got that.
A bit of it.
A bit of that, and a bit more, but let's go have a look. I haven't seen this unit yet. All the other lads have seen it, so live reaction.
So I'll show you around.
Let's show me around, mate. Show me around, show me around.
The main bay, the car bay.
The car, this
right
is the
here.
car bay.
To the left, we'll go left first.
Right, we're going left.
I'm assuming sofa here.
Tonight. Up there.
Sound.
Is this like our kitchen bay?
Kitchen there.
Hang on, wait, stay there.
Yeah. Yeah, mate.
We got the bar, mate, the bar's sick! Look at that! You pull up to it.
Master bedroom.
Master bedroom, yeah, I like that. Is this the light switch?
Yeah.
Is that the basketball as well? Yeah, that's that right.
It is. Only one of them though.
Ah, it just about turns on, so that's alright, isn't it?
To the left.
What's in here then?
To the toilet.
Oh yeah, the
That's
lavatory.
it. First time me and you have been in the toilet. Yeah, follow it. Match officials only, mate.
Does this light work?
Yeah.
It's normally a bonus when the lights work, to be fair. Oh god.
It's a dodgy old toilet.
Wait, why? Oh my god, what has been going on here? Why is there a bag and a pair of gloves on the floor?
It works.
That's what I want to know. It works, it works. It's a hole. Mate, I don't know where I am. This is like some maze. I'm gonna have to get a little printed out map.
To the back of the car
Oh,
bay.
we're back at the car bay. I like that.
And then,
What have we got for it?
I don't know, whatever this is.
I've got soda packs.
No, they need to come out
Do they come
100%.
with the lid? You've got a turbine as well.
Nah, that's gonna obviously go.
What, can I not strap that to the back of my Skoda?
Nah. And then the office.
Can we actually go?
Yeah, why not then, mate?
This is big office. Whoa, this is flipping sketchy, mate. Oh my god.
And then
Well,
all the boys down there.
I think it's a bit of a doer-upper in here first. Why is there a smoke alarm that's been covered up by that as well? I don't really like want to. If I do that, it flexes. Oh my god, why have they got fence panels as the floor?
That's obviously not the floor.
Look, it's fence panels as the floor.
We were saying we got to get some.
Anyway.
And that's, oh, we got one more little storage unit, which is on the other side of here.
Oh, sick.
So,
It's quite a big room.
Yeah. Go on, use them muscles, mate. Oh, we've got like this little area.
and then just in that little left-hand bit, there's a boiler in there at the moment.
Oh, mental.
The boiler doesn't get used.
This is epic, blood. This is extra epic, guys. A bit of a story to this place now, so I'm trying to figure out like, what it was used for. Because all these walls have been like smashed through, and it's all just like a bit ropey, but the boys reckon it was a football pitch. Oh, yes, mate, that makes sense. So looking at this, match officials only, and looking at the floor, but yeah, if you look at the floor as well, it literally is like shower floors, and this would be the kitchen, wouldn't it? Oh, it's gotta be. That's the new one for the channel. I hope everyone's keen for it. I'm well excited. Like I said, it's not just a new chapter for my YouTube channel, but like a new chapter for me personally as well. I've always wanted or needed a space. If you've been watching the videos, you know, if you're an old school viewer, you'd been known I've been moaning for the last year and a half making these videos about not having space to basically work on the car in the evenings with roof and a light. You know, we want to get a sim racer up there and have an office. We've got a sofa we're going to bring in, and mate, this place is going to be mental. The HR department headquarters coming shortly. What an absolute dream come true. My own unit with all my mates to work on cars and do everything. If you haven't already noticed, Tom is in the video because him and his mate Barney, they're going to be running a Kari out of this unit. Now they have a way more space than me. I'm paying a bit more on the rent because they're going to be using it more. Me, I'm only chipping in a little bit on the side just to put my car in the middle where no one's there and use the light and use the area as a workshop. Later on down the line, we want to get a ramp. We're going to make the upstairs an office and get a sim racer. We've also got a few other mates chipping in as well just to store some bits and bobs. Because all of the water's this. Excuse me, mate.
What's with the toilet? It's this.
That's our toilet water stream. Oh!
HR department.
Right.
Start grafting, mate. Just out here grafting it.
Right, so we spent a good few hours up here now, basically just trying to suss out where we're going to start, because it needs a lot of work, and I think we're going to start on this upstairs area, and it's going to be like office room. Someone has just gone absolutely mental with the expanding foam up here. It's like literally insane. Like, I don't know what they were thinking, but it's absolutely mental. And like, it's just got stuff hanging down. It's currently Thursday tonight. We're gonna come back this weekend, maybe tomorrow night, and we're gonna start. We're just gonna start on the renovation. All of this stuff, it's just crazy, like the amount of expanding foam someone's gone. So I think we need to get some boards, board the roof up to obviously just make it look a bit nicer. Maybe just literally just get rid of all this expanding foam. And then we've got a massive rug that was up here anyway. Rug on the floor, hoover it, make it look nice. Then yeah, the other thing is that what I'm standing on, this floor, not very safe. This floor needs attending to. So you're gonna put some extra slats in the floor. And then yeah, upstairs is gonna be basically the first part of this unit project. And then we're gonna have to start doing all the ceiling up here. I think we're basically gonna work our way up to down. It makes a bit of sense that way. We don't really mind the down there getting dirty because that's where we're going to work on cars and stuff anyway. So stay tuned if you're keen. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Should be pretty good. If you like this sort of content, it's not just cars. I want to have everything on this channel. I want to show you guys the full story. That's what it's about really. This is my life, and if you enjoy it, then just join in, smack the subscribe button. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.